Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create shining logo animation in Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to add black screen to my project. I'm going to go to the Capcut library and then select this black screen as the background of my logo. And then I'm going to add logo to this project. We're going to go to the sticker. And then, for example, I'm going to search for Instagram logo. Okay, and wait for a moment. For instance, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to make the sticker align with my background. Then you can adjust the position. You can make it larger or smaller. It's up to you. Okay, and we're going to save this video. Just click on export and wait for a moment until the project has been exported. And I'm going to create new project and import the logo we have just created. And then we're going to apply the shining effect. Go to the effect and then select video effect. And you have to search for the edge glow. Okay, this one. I'm going to apply edge glow to my logo. You can increase the intensity like this. Okay, click on the check mark and I'm going to make this effect align with my video. And we're going to apply animation. To animate it, you can tap on the video and select animation, then choose the animation that you like. I'm gonna go with combo animation. But wait, it's still loading. Okay, for example, I'm gonna go with this one. All right, and now it's done. And this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create shining logo animation in Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.